Hello everyone. Can you solve the given problem with ease? This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like CAT, MAT, GMAT, Bank PO, Railways, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems with ease. So let's start. If x minus 1 by x equal to under root 21, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square into x plus 1 by x. So we have given x minus 1 by x equal to under the root 21. And this implies if we square both the sides, so we have x minus 1 by x whole square equal to under root 21 whole square. And this gives x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 equal to 21. And this implies x square plus 1 by x square equal to 23. This implies if we add 2 both the sides, so we have 2 equal to 23 plus 2. Adding 2 both the sides. So we have, this implies this is x whole square plus 1 upon x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x, and this is equal to 25. So this implies x plus 1 by x whole square, and this is equal to 5 whole square. This implies x plus 1 by x equal to 5. Taking square root of both the sides. So we have, this is equation number 1, and this one is equation number 2. So we want to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square into x plus 1 by x. So this is equal to x square plus 1 by x square equal to 23 from equation number 1. So this is equal to 23 into x plus 1 by x equal to 5 from equation number 2. So from or using equation number 1 and 2. Using equation number 1 and 2. So we get this. So this implies x square plus 1 by x square into x plus 1 by x. This is equal to 115, and this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Find more such type of questions. There are the links in the description where you can find questions those are asked in competitive exams like CAT, MAT, GMAT, Bank PO, Railway, Insurance, Income Tax, etc. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.